Okay, we're continuing on to the campground in Suwannee River State Park. Speed limit's 5. Says keep right, which is what I'm doing. It says keep right. Okay, so I'm keeping right. I'm avoiding low trees. Yeah, the guy says, he goes, you probably want to unhook your car right here. I'm avoiding trees. Camping area is here. So, that's going to be me. Registered campers only. Okay. That's me. And then site 4, I believe, will be the 4th site on the right. No, site 4 is right there. Okay. Looks interesting, to put it mildly. This is it right here. And of course I got a big fat truck right in my way. Okay, well, we'll figure this out.